You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV. Please, go in and get me a cup of water. Yes, ma'am.
I actually drove out and I wanted to spend some time alone, After all the, everything, I just needed to calm my nerves down.
I understand perfectly well, my son. Come, let's go inside.
Mom, you look worried. Is everything all right?
I'm fine. The elders just left.
The elders?
Yes.
What's wrong?
Nothing. They just came to discuss about your father's vacant throne.
Mom, can you just drop it, please? Mom, we've been through this before, all right? I don't want to talk about it again, okay? Mom, I just want to leave this village, leave this country and go back to the States and just continue with my life. Mom, can we leave this, please?
You are the first son of the late Igwe. My husband.
And my father, too.
Oh, you know that?
Yes.
So why don't you want to take full responsibility of what rightly belongs to you?
Talking about responsibilities, let me remind you that I have responsibilities too, all right? I have things I've been doing in the US and I can't just, oh Mom, this whole talk is actually beginning to get on my nerves. I will not.
Oh no, Ugonna, you will.
I won't.
Ugonna, you will and you must.
Oh, really?
Yes.
All right, fine. You come tie me down.
Ugonna. Ugonna, Ugonna, come back here. You will. Huh.
Please, consider what I've told you. Please.
I thought we've been through this matter before.
For God's sake, you're the first son of the family.
How in heaven's name would you suggest such a thing?
You know me, man. You know me. You know how it is. You know how my life in the States is. I can't just drop everything for some throne. Look, wait. Let me break it down for you, right? Just accept to be the king, Igwe, whatever. All right? Just accept. Agree, then leave the rest to me. I'll fix it.
No.
Okay?
No. Hell no. Sorry to disappoint you, but I can't. Besides, I'm not interested in this godforsaken throne Igwe thing anyway. What happens to my freaking life afterward?
Exactly what these guys have failed to understand. Right? I have a life too. Okay, I can't just drop everything because of this whole throne thing. Look, I came back for Dad's burial and I'm so done with it. I need to bounce.
Why is this whole Igwe throne, whatever, why are they not being reasonable? Why?
I don't know. It's been like that for generations past. Even Dad had to drop his job for this whole Igwe thing, which if you ask me, I think it's crazy.
Are you freaking going to do the same thing too?
Never.
So, how the hell do you plan to achieve this?
I'm leaving with you tomorrow morning.
You can't be serious, are you?
Of course I am. Leaving with you tomorrow morning.
He's leaving with me tomorrow.
are you going?
Mom, I have told you time without number. This whole throne thing, you guys should just keep it, okay? I'm not interested. I am going back to America.
Oh, no, you're not.
Ugo, please listen to Mom.
Hey. Stay out of this. You hear me? Just stay out. Oh, God. Mom, can I just beg you? I've tried to make you understand. You just don't want to listen to me. I have things to do in America. I don't freaking stay here. Please.
Ugo, now. Ugo, why do you want to bring shame and disgrace to this family? Ugo, now, what do you want me to tell the Council of Elders? What do you want me to tell the villagers that I, the law, cannot produce an Igwe for them? When I have 3 grown sons in my house?
Oh, Mom, thank you. I mean, you just made my point, Mom. Thank you. Mom, you said you have 3 sons, right? Beautiful. Why don't you just give them Ike? Okay, Ike is my brother. Give them Ike. I'm not interested.
Ugonna, Ikechukwu is your kid brother. You are my first son.
I am not interested. The first son is not interested.
Really?
Yes.
Guards!
Hey.
Come, move in this box in his room.
Don't you dare touch my box.
Ugonna!
Mom, what's wrong with you? Are you out of your mind? Mom. Hey. Calm down, all right? Just calm down. Let's go. Come on, let's go inside.
Nothing happened. I faked it. I just lower your voice, okay? You're too much. Can you keep quiet? They want to give me hypertension beat. God forbid. I had no other option. One name. To fake it. Angela, stop this laughing. Are you sure he wants a woman? You know that right now, all of them believe that I am very weak. And no one would like to aggravate my situation.
God is on your side.
Amen.
Don't start crying now before you fall sick for real. But why won't you want to be the Igwe? Why?
Hey, my enemies are at work. They are at work.
They will not succeed.
Amen.
They will not. God is on your side.
Amen. I am not feeling well.
I know.
And stop laughing.
You're lady too much.
Mama
is not feeling well. Sorry, my dear. Have you seen the doctor anyway?
Ugonna.
Yes, Papa.
What is this that I'm hearing? That you want to go back to Obodo Igbo? Is it true?
It's true, Baba.
Why?
Papa, thank you. You see, I'm thanking you because you are the only person who has cared to ask me why I'm doing this. Papa, I have a life. I've tried to explain to these people, I have a life. I have things I'm doing in the States. I don't live here anymore. I have a complete, well-set life.
A complete, well-set life?
Yes.
I see. But, my son, one is never complete without his family.
Well, I never said I was denying my family. Papa, my people will remain my people. Alright? I came back for Dad's burial. I'm done with it. Let me just go. Look, my life is different now. I don't stay here anymore. I stay in the States. Can I just go?
My son, in life, there is what is called priority. You have to set your priorities Right. Then to know which one should move or blend into another.
You know, I've never really thought about this. You know, Papa, it's not possible. Papa, my life, my job, my fiance. Oh God, but hell no, I can't. I just can't. It's not gonna work.
My son, you can. Oh yes, you can. Think of your people, your mother. Think of your late father. If you were alive, what he would have you do?
Papa, this is not fair. Oh, honestly, it's not fair. It's not fair. It's not fair.
Life is not fair. Life is not fair.
Mom!
I'm coming!
Let's go. What are you doing here?
I should be asking you that question. What exactly are you doing here? And what sort of funny outfit is this? Are you some Superman or something?
Baby, can we talk about this later? Okay?
No, we don't. We talk about it right here. Ogona, oh my God, please. I can't even think about it. I mean, what were you thinking? Abandoning me?
Ugo, Sammy.
Man. Hi, how are
you
you doing?
I'm fine. When did you come back?
I just got in this morning.
Hope everything is alright.
Yes, other than the fact that I'm just wondering what this man is doing right here in this country when he's supposed to be in the States.
You mean he didn't tell you?
No, please. Just tell me that. Tell me that what this guy was trying to say to me over the phone was just a fairy tale. Tell me that.
Can we go inside and
I
talk
can't
about this?
believe
Okay,
this.
please.
Oh my God.
Please.
Oh, this must be some dream.
Please.
I better just wake up. What exactly are you insinuating? That your stay in Nigeria is permanent?
I think so.
You what? You, jeez, come on.
Baby, can you just calm down and try looking at this from a positive.
What positive side could you possibly be talking about? That you told me that you were leaving the state to come to Nigeria to attend your father's funeral. What if you did not sit down and decide to abandon me in the States? Tell me, what positive side do you want me to look at it from?
Oh, baby, I had no choice.
Of course you had a choice. You had a choice. Life is about choices. I made a choice by affiliating with you. That's why we are together. And if you deliberately choose to break that affiliation, then we are apart.
Sam. Wait. What are you saying?
What I am trying to say is that chosen to abandon me. You've decided to leave me after everything we've been through. All what we built, all through these years, for what? For some goddamn insignificant...
Sir!
Tell me something. Was I a part of that decision?
Sam, you must realize that this is my father's throne we're talking about here, alright? So just calm down, bring your freaking voice down, and let me explain.
You have nothing, absolutely nothing to explain to me that you haven't explained already. You've already explained to me that you've moved on with your life. You're living your life. You've given me up for your family,
Judy,
for your people.
Baby, I never said that.
Oh, well,
why are you putting words into my mouth? I never said that.
You were going to come to it.
How do you mean?
What do you mean? How do I mean? Christ! You're going to be this king, this Igwe, or whatever they call it. How do you expect to rule those people, administer to them, without being present? Huh? No, tell me how?
Sweetie, wait, calm down. Sweetheart, it's not what you think. Okay, it's not. See, you need to realize that my father is no more, and I am his first son. I need to take full responsibility. Okay? It's not like I want to, but I don't have a choice.
Tell me the truth. Why? Why didn't you tell me?
It's because...
Why did you not tell me about this before you left for your father's funeral?
Baby, it didn't occur to me. I wasn't planning to stay.
Just stop it, you lie. If you did not know about this, why didn't you reject the throne? Why did you not reject the goddamn throne?
Baby, I couldn't. Sweetheart, I couldn't, and I still can't. Oh. How I wish I can. How I just wish this whole thing would go away. I wish you would just understand with me, baby. It's not easy. I'm so disappointed. Please.
I'm so disappointed. I'm so
Baby, don't say this. Don't say this, please. Can you go? Don't go. Don't.
What's the argument all about?
Sam has refused to understand that this whole thing wasn't my fault. I've tried that. How else am I going to explain it to her?
Take it easy. Calm down, my son. Okay? Give Sammy some time. She will come around. Good night. Just give me some time to talk to her. I'll get back to you.
It is difficult for you because you cannot stand up to them.
Sammy, what are you talking about? Huh? Do you have a freaking idea what I'm up against?
What?
Huh?
What are you up against? Huh? Oh, a bunch of old men? Okay, your precious mom whom you're so scared you cannot live without. Or some insignificant...
Enough! Enough of your abusive words and mouth.
They are also my people.
Well, if they are your people, then you should understand with me and encourage me.
I will not. Until you learn to do the right thing.
If you love my son so much, you should encourage him to pick up his father's throne.
Oh Lord, please.
Mom, please, just leave us, okay?
No.
Please.
Into the house. Pack your bag and baggage. And let's get the hell out of here. God damn it! Excuse me.
have heard so far what is required of you before you are finally enthroned as our king. Do you have any question?
My fathers, I greet you.
I greet you.
I've heard all you've said. Yes, and I just want to state that these requirements, they are actually outrageous. Yes. Yeah, I'm sorry if I used the wrong word, but I just want to say that these things required of me before I mount the throne, they are unacceptable to me.
How, my son?
Because, I mean, oh, come on, guys, man, jeez. This is the 21st century.
Osno Guas. Omas.
My fellow elders, please, we are here to properly guide our son on the requirements of being our king. My son, when you want to address the elders, you...
all right. I'm sorry. My bad. Okay, it's all my fault. I'm really very sorry. Pardon my youthful exuberance, but what I'm trying to say is things have changed. I mean, this is the modern times. A lot of things have changed. Times have changed. And though my father intimated me on these things, but my question is, can't we do without them?
My son, we can't do without them. We can't.
Why?
My son, you just spoke about times changing. But my son, we make our future what we want it to be. See, a people without a culture is without identity. Wow. And my son, things may change, and times may change, but we, the people of Umuobo, remain the same.
I'm engaged already, and I can't imagine my fiancée leaving all she has to do in the United States to come down here for some freaking dance. My father's, it's not possible.
Good. I thought I heard you say that your father intimated you about all this.
Yes, he did, but that was in the past. You know, this is the 21st century now. Come on, guys, don't do this to me, please.
Now, calm down. You see, I want you to know that that relationship is null and void.
That's not possible.
And who are you to decide when my relationship goes null and void?
Sam, please leave.
I am not done talking.
Sam, I said leave us. This is not the place for you, okay?
Where is the place going? Where?
My daughter. Gunnar is the first son of his father. As you know, his father was our last king. As the first son of his father, the responsibility fell on him to assume the position of the throne of his father. This is all we require of him.
Pardon me, my daughters. May I ask what these things required of him are? Because I eavesdropped and I overheard everything you guys said. Oh, okay, yeah, my bad. But I had to do that because I needed to find out what exactly this man is still doing in this country. Of all places, this village. I'm sorry, Alice, but I need to ask this question. These things required of him, are they supposed to be with his consent or without his consent?
Young lady, that's nothing to do with his consent. Remember his blue blood. No choice. He has no choice.
That's ridiculous. You of all people should know that is a trample on human rights. Now my fears had told me in confidence that he doesn't need the Igwe thing or whatever it is you guys call it. And I am standing here as his fiancé to echo that back to you guys. We do not need Igwe ship. Give it to someone else.
Who approved the union?
And if I may answer that question, what is this dance competition thing I heard you talk about?
My daughter. Are you not the daughter of Ambassador Soludo Nyama of Udoma village in this community?
Of course I am.
So I believe your people are not strangers to what we are saying. In the olden days, all young ladies must participate. But now, it is by choice. Any maiden that wants to win the heart of the king or the prince must dance her way through the heart of the prince. So, if you love the prince, you must participate to win. See?
Jesus.
So that you will be made our next queen.
This has to be some sick job. Hold on. Are you guys serious? No, are you guys serious or something? Is this some...
Young lady, be attentive for the last time. This is the meeting of elders in council. In the first place, you have no right to be here. Now leave. Get out. You had him. Leave. I said leave. Can you? Leave.
Sam. Please go. Please.
This is just bullshit. Bullshit.
Bullshit.
Please, we could work this thing out.
Calm down. Calm down. What is the meaning of that word? Do you even understand what that word means? You asking me to calm down? Oh my God.
Sweetie, can you just slow down? Slow down. It's not as bad as...
Oh, just stop it. Stop it. Right this minute ago, just stop it in the name of God. Just stop it. Because you are getting on my last nerves and they're all standing. So just put it stop.
Baby, that's why I'm here. Alright, that's why I'm here to calm your nerves and we could just work this thing out, okay?
And let us go back to the state. Okay, just pack your bag and let's leave this madness, okay? Let's just go. For Christ's sake. For Christ's sake. What has gotten into you? Baby, what has gotten into you, sweetheart? Why are you doing this? Baby, please. Let's just go home, okay? Baby, come on.
Baby. I'm sorry. I can't leave. I just can't leave. I'm sorry.
Okay. You can't leave. Of course you should be sorry. Because you are nothing but just one damn coward. That's what. What?
What did you just say?
You are nothing but just a coward. You slapped me? Oh, you hit me? This is just don't touch me!
What is it? Calm down. What is it?
Mommy, I'm going.
Baby, don't do this. Please.
Mommy, he slapped me.
You what?
He slapped me, Mommy. Didn't you see him? God, I am out of here. I am out for good.
Go.
I have to go back to the States. I can't stay here, Mommy, please. I have to go, Mommy. Let me go. Let me go now. Let me go. You slapped her. Let me go.
How could you? For Christ's sake, a man does not hit a woman.
Oh, I didn't know what I was doing.
It's over 1 week since Zamipere left this house in anger. And you've not been yourself.
Mom, how can I? How can I be myself, Mom? Is it possible? See, this whole turnaround in my life, Mom, it's driving me crazy. What am I going to do?
Go, I'm so sorry. Oh. I and your father should have prepared you for this.
Yes.
But I never knew that death would come knocking.
Oh. Mom, it's okay. It's alright. It's okay.
Oh,
it's okay, Mom. It's alright. Hey. Everything will be fine. Okay? Although I really don't know how it's gonna happen, but I just believe everything will be fine. Alright? Please.
Ugonna, look at me. A woman without a husband. And my son's life in disarray. But I know that everything will fall in place, God.
Mom, how am I gonna do this? Huh? Can you just tell me? What am I gonna do? Mom, Sam is my world.
I know, my son. But you will also love any other beautiful maiden that they will choose for you. The requirements for the new queen cannot be bent to suit her, even if she stays. How will she meet their requirement with the dance competition? The villagers, in conjunction with the Nego, choose who will be the queen. Gonna, my son, you see, during our days as maidens, your mother here danced away the heart of everybody, especially that of your father. My late husband.
Mom, honestly, this whole dance talk, I really don't get it, Mom. Mom, I love Sam. Believe me, I love Sammy. I love her the way you love Daddy.
Gum, I know. But don't worry, my son. You will love any other beautiful maiden that they will choose for you.
Oh, Mom, it's easy for you to say. I mean, how am I just gonna wake up one morning and start loving someone else? Am I nuts?
Nah, don't worry. Don't just worry. Oh, you will go through this. Everything will be okay. You will see. Oh, Mom, come. Let's go inside so that the ladies will serve your lunch.
You can go eat. I'm not hungry.
We have to take something.
Mom, I said I'm not hungry. All right?
Okay, then let's go inside.
Mom, I'm fine here.
You hear that you're not coming with me?
Hello, Sam. Oh, thank God. Thank God. I've been trying your line since you... Hello, sweetie, please, don't cut the phone on me, please. Don't. Can you just, please don't. Oh, God. Why is Sam doing this to me? I said I'm sorry.
Just like our young men, some directly, some through their parents. Ezume, you go to Ochiri, tell him to go to our state university and inform them.
It's all right. I will do just that.
Not just doing that.
Very quickly too.
Yes. Dikeh, you have to trust me. Okay. Yes. You will go to the media houses.
I will do that.
On our behalf.
NTA and Radio Nigeria, precisely.
Because we don't want any family in this community to be left out.
Yes, there must be no lapses.
Yeah.
So that this way, the coronation will take place.
You never cease to amaze me. So, Baba, see, I just want to know the class of girls that will be participating in the dance.
You see, you're already manifesting the wise attributes of your father, always interested in details. I know what fits my praise. You are a young man with a distinguished status and class.
Of course.
As you rightly said, this is 21st century. and we will follow it your way.
Thank you, Papa. See, I can't thank you enough for your kind words. You've been like a father to me. Thank you once again, Papa.
Pleasure is mine.
It's just that I have only one regret.
Which is?
Samebere. Samebere, my love. The woman I would have loved to spend my whole life with.
You see, my son, love is not the basis for marriage, but marriage is the basis for love.
Come over you.
Nani! Hey! How I wish the hand of the clock would turn backward again. Hey! Ijele, why? Okay, Mom.
Why?
Because of the way I dance now. Have you forgotten? Hey! Chineke. I would have just danced my way straight to the heart of the king.
Neda, I'm very sorry for you. During your own time, you failed. Even if the competition holds again for your age grade, I mean as maidens, you will fail again, Ijele.
I don't like this thing you're saying. I don't like it. What do you mean, Seth? What do you mean? And wait till the next royal dance comes up again. And you will see me in action. Anyhow they want it. If they want it,
Look at that. Look at that. Wait. You will not even cease to amaze me. Huh? What are they going to do with such an old woman?
you are not even getting the joke.
Joke?
If I don't participate and Amara participates, have I not participated? Okay.
Which Amara are you talking about?
How many do you know?
Apart from your late mother that her name was Amara. And of course her daughter, who is already engaged. I wonder what other Amara you are talking about.
Engage my foot. Engage my foot. My daughter is not engaged to anybody. Eh? See, my queen, my princess is still searching. And I thank God that the search is over.
I think something is wrong with you upstairs. And this time around, you need a medical attention. Go ahead for the...
Okay. Don't worry. We shall see. Any type you want. Suck it in. I know. Is it the traditional? I will coach my daughter. After the rehearsal at the arena, I will bring her home.
Where will I find this boy now? Excuse me, my daughter. Come. Sorry, I'm looking for...
Excuse me, sir, please, I have a lecture to attend now. I don't have time, sorry.
Look at her hair, look at her leg. Woolly hair. Useless child. Una no go be useful. No atom of respect for elders. Come on, tell me where I'm going, you can't tell me. This kind of school, I don't know where I can find. Oh, wow. Every time wahala. And so easy chair will be sending me go this, go that. Go this, go that. Excuse me, my children. I'm looking for one hostel called Nelson Mandela. Please, can you help me?
Nelson Mandela?
Yes.
Okay, you have to walk down. Straight.
Okay, straight.
At the back of that building.
Yeah.
Just that big building up there. Just
Okay,
back.
that one. Okay.
Just keep going straight.
Thank you, my children. I hope you children are reading.
No problem.
Good children. Try reading. This one you are here toasting while others are in the class reading.
Give me plan.
So tell me, what was it you were sounding so hasty on phone? Well, what were you trying to say now?
You want to know, Abby? Perhaps if you start attending our Tuesday meetings, that way you get to hear informations and announcements firsthand.
Babe, please now, Tell me now,
Anyway, our town's SUG president said that
what now?
Okay, wait, you want to pull it out of me? Anyways, he said that all the maidens of Umuobu interested in marrying the prince should prepare for the sacred dance. Same competition through which the prince chooses the next queen. Obviously his wife. Yeah, and it has to be whoever that emerged best dancer in the ultimate dance competition.
It's a lie! The same dance competition we've been talking about?
Yep, it is.
Oh God, I can't believe it! Do you know my mother told me how it was in their own days?
Oh, I know! Do you know that my mother never ceases to tell me about how in her own time she danced and almost danced her life out. Yet she didn't win. God, is that tough?
My mother said she took part in the preparation but couldn't participate on the D-Day because her mother put to bed. My dear, real because if it was me, I would leave my mother and the child. See, anything that will make me not participate in the dance, no be my portion.
Hey!
I will leave that thing there.
Oh my God,
why are you laughing?
I'm laughing because it's funny. It's actually funny. I can't believe you just said that. Anyways, I'm not surprised because I mean, a lot of girls will say the same thing you just said right now.
Deje, I will surprise you. I say I would dance and outshine all of you.
Yeah, that will be after I outshine you.
Outshine with me?
Yes.
Okay, let's see how far now.
Hey! Don't stop passing
you dey damn me, oh! This babe, they try me. This babe, they try me.
Right. Oh, just keep on. I think this is what you will dance on that day.
No try me, oh! Deje, make I do my practice, abeg.
We are talking folk dance, the kind you do with your waist while you bend down to dig it for the prince.
Whatever, abeg, whatever. Hey, I want to dance this one. This one. Yay! Come on! Come on, Margotina Basio. I bet you don't drink this one. Don't waste my money. Come, sit down here, drink one.
I'm not drinking.
Yes, you didn't know you were interested.
Why not? I've been dying for this opportunity. I really love to dance.
Well, if you would take my advice, I suggest you do not participate. Have you forgotten our exam is next semester?
This is my opportunity. I really need to grab it. You know I love dancing now. See, I'm not really particular about being chosen or something. I just want to dance for the fun of it. Trust me.
So what if you are dancing for the fun of it like you say? Then you now end up being chosen as the queen.
Queen? If God says yes, why not? Sweetheart, it will not be a bad idea. You know I love dancing and I'm a good dancer.
Well, I will still suggest that you do not participate.
Neme, I don't disrespect you. I disrespect you. Why are you so particular about my not participating? What's your problem?
Why are you so particular about participating? See. I feel it is a waste of time and energy for you and girls of your class.
I been obvious. Yeah? How do girls of my class look?
One here.
I bet tell me.
Babe, you know you're of a low class now. Forget as this house day, so we know now. We know as they get down. Now waka.
Neme, not gonna cost me for mouth. I just go beg you. Sure you hear me, so I beg you, not run your mouth for you. I beg.
Sorry.
You said sorry.
I'm sorry now.
You too sorry.
Okay, I'm sorry.
No, I don't like that kind of talk. I beg. Anyway, you talk.
Thank God for university education. That has helped to give some of us exposure and brush us up a little.
I mean, you talk to. Again, this is so those most you go cost me for my house. Can't you go again?
Now house, get out! All these men where they fight. I give me my bag.
Follow me, you get out.
Shit, stay for your house. Give me my bag. Get out! So, babe, the dance is for my sister's daughter's traditional marriage.
Must you participate?
Yes, so yes.
But I told you I wanted us to go and see my parents at Ibadan.
No, I don't get it. Are you saying your people are more important than mine?
Come on, sweetie. I don't mean that. All I'm saying is that this is your sister's traditional wedding. Excuse me. Which of your sisters are we talking about?
You won't remember her. My second cousin on my maternal side. But very close. Very close. I'm sure I told you about her.
So, how long are you going to be away?
The whole of this long vacation.
The whole of this long vacation?
Yes.
Why?
You know, we have to do rehearsals and preparations before the marriage. See, my sister's daughter is getting married to the prince of their town. Big traditional marriage. In fact, I think you should be there. I'm telling you.
Gina. When are we going to meet my parents?
Next semester, when I return.
Next semester.
Don't worry. Before you know it, it's all over, okay? Come.
Next semester.
Sure. It's my heart.
So, Mom, what were you saying? What I'm saying is that you must leave that your job in Enugu and participate fully in this dance, because I am very sure you are the next queen of the land.
Mom, how can you suggest a thing like that when you know I'm in a serious relationship?
You shut up.
Mom,
shut up your mouth. Shut up. Shut up. Shh. Shh. Look at this girl. What do you know about marriage? Is this my kind of marriage? Eh? See, others, my mates, are in their husbands' houses enjoying. See, no kid here. You see in her, all her regalia, she's my mate. My mate. Really? Really? She's my mate. During our own time, I came second. She won. And then the prince then, who's now the Igwe, married her. Let me tell you. Have you seen that Lolo? Do you see the kind of affluence she lives in? Eh? Every time they are going abroad, overseas. You are not poor. Hey, you are not poor. Eh? So you call this one rich? Who are you? Who knows you? When you talk about money, it's to the extreme. Eh? And money will just be flowing. And that's exactly what you're going to experience when you marry the prince. What about Ekene? What do I tell him? You can tell him whatever you want to. Tell him whatever you want. But as for this dance, you must participate. Why is your face like that? Huh? Look at me. Can't you realize that you have already won? You are already the winner. Eh? Have you forgotten that Lola is my friend, my best friend? So let's just start from there. You don't even need to think about it. Just accept. Eh? On a platter of gold. Win. And I, Ijayawai, what I lost when I was young, I will gain through my queen.
Amara, you said your mother sent for you.
Well, unfortunately, yes, she did.
Really? Mothers, they never change. But tell me something. Is your Igwe really influential?
Oh, come on. I mean, don't tell me you're new in this part of the world. Have you ever heard of Okosisi? Don't forget, I am from Umugu.
Wait a minute. Is he your Igwe?
Was my king.
Jeez! Girl, please go for it. Please.
Girl, are you out of your senses? Why should you suggest such to her?
Are you okay? Better person, come talk to me. So what did you tell your mother?
I told her I was going to think about it.
There's nothing to think about. Please, just to go. Like, go, please.
Amanda. Truly, what are you trying to say? That she should participate in that dance? Really? It means if she wins, she'll marry the prince accurately.
You are even a little intelligent to pick that. Well, she's participating to win and become the queen. She's not participating to exercise her body.
That is to say, Ekene will lose her.
What's wrong with you? We're talking about discussion continue. And you're reminding us of Molwe. What is it?
Okay, ladies, fine. There's no point quarreling, okay? I made up my mind on what I'm going to do.
Oh my God.
I am going to dance.
It's a lie.
Seriously.
It's a lie. Oh my God. There's a queen in this house.
Amara, you winnings from last month.
Oh, please forget all that. I only agreed to marry Ekene simply because, I mean, men are scarce in the open market.
Really?
Yes. Come to think about it. I mean, a girl like me who's gone through school, done my youth corps service, and now I'm working, it's going to be really difficult to catch a man. So, I had to accept. But now I have an alternative, meaning I have to... Oh, move on.
Please educate her for me.
You are unbelievable.
Like you
What?
are unbelievable too.
Amara, you're just 26 and you sound so odd. Please, what I'm trying to say is that she didn't participate in any dance unless you win and lose your man.
Hey! Easy. No verse, oh? Let's change the discussion now. Oh?
Amara, on a more serious note, don't do this. You and Ekene have come a long way.
And I'm saying no verse, oh? Change the topic.
Sorry.
No, this is something else.
Hey!
You're a queen. Give it food.
Oh, I'm cooking the food already. Come on.
Please, I need something.
You're not getting anything.
You mean our queen should cook for
I'll
you?
eat your own if you didn't bring my own.
Our queen?
Sweetie, I'm waiting.
My heart, we agreed we'll take this list so that we can plan our wedding. What's this talk about being with your family?
Come on, Ekene. You know it's been long since my mom and dad. Besides, I'm more excited than you about the wedding. But I have to go and see them. I need to plan with them. Yes.
Okay. Please, don't stay long. You know how important this is to me.
Of course, my love, I know. I won't stay long, I promise. Besides, I miss you and I love you.
I love you too, baby.
So shall we go now?
Yes.
Daddy. I want to go out and visit a friend. I won't be long.
Okay, Daddy. Make sure you don't take time. Bye-bye.
Okay. Neme.
Daddy.
I am very happy you are participating in the dance competition. And I want you to know and understand I am in full support and solidly behind you.
Thank you, Daddy. Daddy, I promise I am going to make you proud. I will bring honor and dignity to this family. I will show them that some become royal by birth, while others are endowed with it.
That's my daughter. I know you make it. I know you make it. Very soon you'll be addressed as Her Royal Majesty. Just put all your effort. How I wish your mother
Daddy.
was here.
Daddy.
To witness this thing again.
Daddy, please, I beg you. Do not spoil this moment. I promise I will make you proud. And I will make mother proud wherever she is.
No, your mother did not participate during her own time.
I know. That is why I am participating. So I'll make you proud. Cheer up, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. Okay, bye-bye. Come back soon.
Honestly, the only reason why I just allow you, or I've been really gentle with you while you keep prying into my affairs, is because you and I have come a long way. I'd be glad if you stay out of my issues for once. Honestly.
Amara, I really want to stay out of your business, okay? But I think you're headed for the wrong direction, baby.
Isioma.
Yes, my dear. For you to have thrown away your precious gold for a mountain full of diamonds, it's dangerous and risky, you know. See, you never can tell what awaits you there at the mountain tops.
Thank you very much for the advice, dear friend. But come on, this is life. It's risky not to take risk. I mean, like my mother said, life is full of risk. Life is about taking risk. So relax, I'll be fine.
Okay, what about Ikene?
Latest news. I'm giving him to you.
You're not serious. Please go and get your man and stop playing about it.
I'm not playing, I'm serious. I'm giving him to you.
You will cry, you. That's not my business.
Oh, Siowa. You don't want?
Amarachukwu, je
You left your job and your fiancé at Enugu only to come back here for a competition meant for young girls.
I'm on leave, Dad. I'm on leave. Papa Beka, what do you mean she left her fiancé? What fiancé, if I may ask?
Excuse me, your silence woman. Let me talk to my daughter.
It's important too.
Ah, okay. That was why you asked her back last time. You asked a girl that was engaged to come and participate in a dance meant for young girls, single girls?
Michael, I hate it when you're so dogmatic about certain issues. I don't like it.
Meaning?
Meaning that life is all about flexibility. You have to learn how to be flexible. Yesterday, she was engaged to one Ekene Okoye. But today, she's about to be betrothed to the prince, our future king.
Will you shut up, woman? All my life I've seen women. My 48 years as a lecturer in the university, but I've never seen a woman like your mother.
That is because I am unique.
So domineering, myopic, and shallow-minded about issues of life.
Dad.
Shut up your mouth. That's exactly what she's training you up to become.
Dad, leaving Ekene and coming over here for the dance rehearsal was entirely my decision. That is final. That is what matters.
Did I hear you say leaving Ekene?
Yes, Dad.
Then something was wrong upstairs. Leaving a man that came here for an introduction. You brought this man to me.
And the same person that brought the man now says she's no longer interested. Can't you get it?
You have said your decision. I, the head of the family, have not said mine.
I made mine. I don't want to get anymore. Simple. I want the prince. That is final. That is how it should be from now on.
I want the prince. You want the prince, right? A man that 1,001 girls are after. That's the person you want. Alright, we shall see.
We shall see nothing but victory, Michael. Victory! Eh? Honey, we're married. Honey, we're married. Oh, my choco, we're married. Hey! Honey, we're married. Hey! Why is that like this? This is what I've been telling you all this while, my dear. Life is all about risk taking. Take the bull by the horn. Move! Life is about risk taking. Risk! Take the risk. Grab the bull by the horn. Grab the bull by the horn. You are the daughter of Ijele. Move ahead. Move! Boldly! Remember, no fear. Yes. I did not give birth to you with fear. Boldness! Move! And victory is yours. Ijele, okay, Mom?